Hi friends, welcome to Exams Daily English. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the NEET UG 2020 which was released by Maharashtra Board. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more details. NEET exam, it has been conducted all over India, and now the state government, that is the state of Maharashtra, has given the common entrance test cell and has released a notification regarding this NEET examination for the courses of undergraduate, that is UG, and they have given to the health sciences courses such as MBBS, BDS, BAMS and etc. So if you are interested, you can apply for this and you can prefer any of the courses which was mentioned by Maharashtra Board, and you have to apply only through online. The online application has been invited from today, that is from 11 a.m. and it will be available up to 12/11/2020 up to 5 p.m. only. So after that your online application will not be accepted and you will not be selected, so please be aware of that. And if you are interested, as soon as possible you have to do this online procedure. And next I will explain the more detail about this. The board which has released this is the State Common Entrance Test Cell, Maharashtra. The exam name is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, that is undergraduate, and the course name has been given in the basis of nursing only. And next is the online application will be starting from today, and you have to give the preference courses. In this, first of all you have to do the online application, and next you have to give the preference, that is in which course or which field you are interested. That will be starting from 6/11/2020, that is from tomorrow it will be starting. So after putting your online application you can do this preference also. And next is the important dates and schedule has been given below in the PDF. So for your convenience we have given the PDF link in the description box, so you can read to get more further details. And next is the eligibility criteria. They have given the eligibility criteria, that is none other than candidates. If you have been passed 10th and 12th examination with the courses of, you have to study or you have to come back with the study materials of physics, biology, chemistry or mathematics or computer science from the state of Maharashtra only. If you are possessing these qualification, you will be eligible, and you should be citizen of Maharashtra state and you should be staying in the Maharashtra only up to a minimum period of 10 years. And additionally they have also said that you should be an Indian citizen, so only you will be eligible, and if you are having these eligibilities you can apply for this online. And next is age limit, which is very important. They have given the age limit also. You should not possess more than 25 years, so the maximum age limit is 25 years only on or before 31st December of this year, so please be aware of this. This is for the degree courses like BAMS, BUMS and BHMS. For other details and other degree you can check through the official PDF. And next is age relaxation has also been given. This age relaxation is only applicable for the SC/ST candidates and physically handicapped candidates. So it will be given, age will be relaxed up to of 5 years, so you can check through it. And next is the selection process. The selection process will be of CAP computerized round, so like a counseling process only. So it will be on the basis of state quota seat matrix, and it will be available in counseling and schedule of online preference only. So first of all you have to do your online application very carefully, so that only they will be selecting you. If you do any mistake in the online application you will not be selected, so please be aware and please be careful about these things. And next is they have given the important dates also, that is the information brochure, that is about the complete detail has been given in the PDF, and this brochure has been released yesterday itself, and the seat matrix has been released today. And next is the online registration and the payment will be done from today, so you can choose through it. And next is the preference, that is your choices, that will be starting from tomorrow. And the next is publication of provincial merit list. First of all you will be doing your online application, next you will be shortlisted based on your merit list. That will be issued on 13/11/2020 after some days, and it will be by 8 a.m. so that you can check through it. And the next is declaration of selection list of first round. After shortlisting, you will be declared and you will be going through the process of document verification, etc., like that. So it will be done on 15/11/2020 for BDS course, that is for BDS and MBBS course only. So it will be on 15/11/2020 after 5 p.m. so please be ready for that also. And the last date of joining to the selected college, so after these procedure you will be going to the select college and to the course, so that will be on 20/11/2020. so please be aware of that and please be ready for everything. And next is processing fee. Cost of online application form is NEET UG. For other candidates is 1000, and for if you are applying for state quota and for institutional quota, you would be asked to pay 5000 rupees. Applying for both, if you are interested, and if you are applying for both, you have to pay a rupees of 6000, and it will not be refundable, so please be aware of that also. And next I will show you how to apply for this NEET UG 2020. So first of all, you have to go to the official website. The official website link has been given in the description box. By clicking that, you can go to the official website. This is the official website, so you have to go to it, and here at the end of this you have to come to the higher education. At the end of this you will be having undergraduate courses, that is UG 2020. so you have to click this because you will be applying for this only, right? So you have to click this. While clicking, you will be getting a new home page. It will be like this. Already I have mentioned and I have told like this, right? They have given the important dates and the registration also. So the online registration has been started today itself. So you can give, if you are a new register, that is you are not having any login ID, you have to register initially. So you have to give new registration and payment. And if you are giving like this, you will be getting a new tab, and in this new tab you will be getting this type of home page. Here you have to give registration only, so you are not having your user ID, right? You have not yet logged in, so you have to give registration and you have to click this. If you are clicking this registration, you will be getting a registration form. So it is a well-known registration form. So you have to fill these required details, which is very important. That is NEET UG roll number. For attending your NEET examination, you will be getting a unique NEET UG roll number, right? So you have to give that, and the application number also, and you have to pull the NEET data also. And next you have to give your name, which has been given in NEET application, so please be aware of that. And next is your marks list, so you have to give for PCB, that is your total marks you have to give, and NEET All India rank, you have to give the rank also, rank category. So you should not fill overall rank, it should be a category rank. So please be aware of that. And next they have given some of the, and they have expecting to you to fill some of the details, that is your contact details, your and personal details also for your communication. So please be aware of that, and please recheck twice to thrice so that you will not be making any mistake, and please check once to thrice. And next you have to fill, and you have to check through it. And date of birth, which is very important, you have to give the date of birth also. It should be in the format of date, month and year. And next you have to give the password. You can give any password, and please be aware of that your password should be very strong, and you have to remember that password also, so that after you are going for another login, you will be using this password only. So please be aware of that. And once you have filled this registration form, you have to give submit. Once you are giving submit, you will be getting a new password ID and user ID. So after that you can go to the next process, that is tomorrow only you will be going to the procedure, that is preference choice. So tomorrow you have to give this preference choice, so please be aware of that. And next, additionally, I will show you an extra detail, that is this only. This is the NEET 2020 minimum qualifying percentile and score. It is very tentative, it is not an official one, so please be aware of that also. And it is expected to be, that is for the category wise, the cutoff score which is expected, it may be or may not be a cutoff mark. So please be aware of that, and it is not official one. I will be once to twice. So the tentative one which is expected from all others is For the category of others, that is the general category, you will be having 50th percentile and your cutoff score will be 720 to 147, and for OBC 146 to 113, and for the SC 146 to 113, and for ST the same 146 to 113, and for the UR and PH 146 to 129, and for OBC and PH 128 to 113, and for SC and PH 128 to 113, and following ST and PH the same only. This cutoff score is a tentative one. It may be or may not be expected, so please be aware of that. Get your cutoff marks also. The online registration is very important. I'm repeatedly saying tomorrow you will be giving the preference choice, so please be aware of that. If you are giving the preference choice only, you will be going to the next stage, and please be aware of that also. And please follow the official website of Government of Maharashtra, this website, so only you will be getting further details and references also. And all the very best and best of luck from our team for you and for your success. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more details. Thank you.